Luigi, Mario, movie, cat movie, and movie, yeah. So, yeah, let me just kind of scoot these aside. And here, let's go ahead. Hold on, guys. Sorry for doing this. Alright, so I got Peach. I have the orange Peach, but I'm not gonna grab it out. Because, yeah, so it comes with this. Let's compare to. Stand up. Let's compare her to. With the shell. Yeah. I'm gonna leave Mario, Peach, and Luigi. For Luigi's turn. Oops. Hold on, guys. I need to do this again. Alright, I got him out. So he is with Mud and Peach. And yeah. Alright, good. Now let's compare him to this Luigi. You can see he's an inch taller than him. Yeah. And well, guys, I guess that. Wait, hold on. Before we end the video, let's see. It's hard. Yeah, there. And I guess that's it, guys. And bye. And don't forget to like